Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you how to beat this game called Tinder. My friend showed it to me, and apparently it's a lot like Minesweeper. You if you get any matches, your phone explodes, turns into fire, and you lose. So I'm going to show you today how to beat Tinder and not get any matches. So first thing you want to do is create a profile. I've already done so here. Picture, show your artsy fartsy, good picture of yourself, the music you like, maybe a little SpongeBob meme, more silly stuff, and then, show her you hold cryptocurrency and you're smart. Make a little bio, again, a little artsy fartsy, follow the white rabbit, see, yeah, who's interested. Pick a good song, show her the music you're into, and make sure you connect your Instagram account so that they can see more pictures of you, not just the ones you chose specifically up here. So let's run through it. Again, first thing you want to do is just be a male. That'll generally help a lot. And so we're going to do speed round and just blast through it. And remember, if we get any matches, we lose. So here's to good luck. Okay, so far so good. No trouble yet. Now the traps have triggered. I think I just saw my friend. Alright, so far so good. All we have to do is make it to the end of all of our swipes and run out without getting any matches. and then you win. So as you can see here, it's, regardless, these real people, whatever. Yeah, I like her, give her a like. She seems cool. Yeah, maybe that one? No. Nothing yet. We're doing really, really good. This is my strategy. Just be a dude, make an account, show your interests, and then just, really, I feel like I'm getting, we're close. There it is, folks. That's how you beat Tinder. See the green, it means you won, you did it, go ahead, and, that's how you win Tinder, and don't explode your phone by getting matches. Okay, thanks, bye.